Okay, first of all, notice that the right side is 5 squared. And also notice that a to the n times a to the m is a to the n plus m. So we can add the two exponents of the 5 here. Now realize if the same exponential like 5 is raised to 2 different powers and they're equal, then the powers must be equal, because the exponential function 5 to the x is strictly increasing. So we must have 25x squared plus 5x equals 2. Subtracting 2 from both sides, we have 25x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0. And so we need to factor this. Let's try just factoring it. Yeah, let's try 5x and 5x to begin with. Then we just have a plus times a minus. The product is 2 and the difference is 5. That's not going to happen, is it? So we need to use the quadratic formula on this one. So we have that x equals negative 5 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 25, minus 4 times a, which is 25, times c, which is negative 2, all divided by 2 times a, which is 25. Let's see now, in the parentheses here, 4 times 25 is 100, 100 times 2 is 200, 2 negatives multiplied make a positive, so this is plus 200. And so 200 plus 25 is 225. And 2 times, well, we can factor out at 25. In fact, oh, that's just 15. The square root of 225 is 15. So we can factor a 5 out of the numerator, 5 times negative 1 plus or minus 3, and that's divided by 2 times 25 is 5 times 5. So we can cancel out a factor of 5, and we're left with 2 possible answers for x. Negative 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 2 times 5 is 10. So if we choose the plus, we get one answer, and if we choose the minus, we get another answer. That's minus 1 plus 3 is 3 minus 1 is 2/10, which is 1/5. So there's one solution for x. 1/5, exactly. The other solution comes from picking the minus here. So minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4/10, which is negative 2/5. So there's a second solution to this exponential equation.